Hello! Not having a clear background will not be a hindrance for you to make your YouTube videos come out well. Okay, so today I'll be taking you guys along on how to make realistic background for your YouTube videos, TikTok or Facebook. Okay, this background that you are seeing here is fake background. I'll be teaching you how to make a quality one that will come out excellent. If it's a video that will interest you to watch, please subscribe, like, comment and watch to the end. You're welcome to my channel, Digital Cynthia. Before making this background, all you need is these two apps, which is CapCut and InShot. Yeah, CapCut is for editing of the videos, while InShot is for changing of the background. And before you do your change of background, you need background. You need to go to Pinterest or you go to Canva or Chrome to download a nice background that you'll be using for your video. So let's go to the practical aspect of this.
Okay, open your InShot app. Here is it, open already. Now move to video. For you to select the video you want to change its background, new. Then select the video you want to change the background. Here is it, selected already. Then tick good, it will take you to this. Then here there is one watermark there, which is InShot watermark. InShot watermark. What you are going to do is just tap on the InShot watermark, then you tap on free remove. When you tap on free remove,
It will take you to editing, then go and look for cutout. Yeah, cutout. Okay, here is cutout. You tap cutout, then tap it here, allow it to cut out till 100%. Okay, so after cutting out like so, after cutting out, here is how it will be. Then move back to the editing, go and look for background. Yeah, background, here is it, here is background. You tap on it, then go to your gallery and look for the background that you saved for your video. Here is it, bedroom background. Then you tap on it, it will show here like so. All you need to do is pin to zoom in to the perfect size you want it to be, like so. See our video background looking so realistic. Thanks for watching. Please encourage me by subscribing. See you in my next one. Bye bye.